Good morning, all of you.
Very good afternoon.
Okay, dear students, today we are going to discussing a beautiful lesson in English. Before we know that lesson, we are going to do one work. Okay. Here I am going to give some words to you. You are going to categorize that words into two groups, like which are the aspects belongs to are categorized into desirable qualities and some another categorized into not so desirable categories. Okay. So now I am going to give some words to you. You are going to write down in your notebook and categorize or differentiate those words to desirable and not so desirable. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, here some words are there. See, when we talk about people, we discuss their qualities. When we are going to talk about some peoples, isn't it? Where we observe that so many qualities among the people. So that qualities are in the box given below has some words which describe people. Sit in small groups and classify them under desirable and not so desirable categories. You may consult a good dictionary or your teacher. See, words are like this. Number one is courage. Second, amicability, gentleness, sympathy, kindness, helpfulness, enthusiasm, wisdom, affection, honesty, selflessness, cruelty, humility, faithfulness, endurance, perseverance, determination, negligence, carelessness, carelessness, and last one is arrogance. Dear students, are you heard all those words? So these are all not words, these are the qualities of human beings. So among these qualities, which are the qualities comes under desirable and which are the qualities comes under not so desirable. Okay. Now you are going to say loudly which is desirable quality and which is not. Okay. So now I am going to write these qualities on the blackboard. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. See, box 1 is desirable qualities. One is desirable qualities and another one is not so desirable. Okay, now you are all say loudly which is desirable and which is not. Okay, see, number one is courage. Come on, say loudly. Number one, first one is desirable quality, courage. Courage is must to everybody, isn't it? Everybody has the courage. Without courage, we cannot do anything. Okay? So that courage is a good quality. So that it comes under desirable quality, isn't it? Once again, pronounce the word courage loudly.
Courage.
Courage. Yellow boys. Courage. So it is comes under desirable quality. And the second one is amicability. It is also comes under under desirable quality. What is the spelling? Yes, good. This is also desirable quality. And what about the third one? Gentleness. It is also comes under gentleness. You are already know the Kannada meanings, isn't it? I already told you, right? And the fourth one is sympathy. It is also comes under desirable quality. Okay, good. Then kindness. Desirable kindness. Isn't it? Is it right now? It is comes under the desirable. Is it right? Yes, good. And another one is helpfulness. Helpfulness. So it is comes under desirable qualities. Right? Session Goda, you say the spelling of this word helpfulness. Say loudly. Say loudly. ESS. You say continue. Okay. See. Helpfulness also good quality of human beings, so that it comes under desirable quality. Okay. Then another one is enthusiasm. It is also comes under desirable qualities. Enthusiasm. Right? Okay, any one of you can stand up and spell that word. Yes, Saujanya. Not A-M, E-N. E-N. Say loudly. S-I-A-S-M. Enthusiasm. It is also a good quality, so that it comes under desirable. Okay, nice. Sit down. And wisdom. Another one word is wisdom. It is also desirable quality. Yogesha, you stand up. Spell the word wisdom. W-I-S-D-O-M. Okay, nice. Sit down. See, and one more word is affection. It is also comes under desirable quality, affection. Okay, right? Maruti, you stand up and spell the word affection. Spelling ಹೇಳು. A-F-F-E-C-T-I-O-N. ಏನಾಯ್ತು? Affection. So, this is also good quality of human being, so that it comes under desirable. Okay, sit. And another word is honesty. It is also a desirable quality. Honesty. Pramanikate. Right? Everyone, we should have the honesty. Right? So that we are all good people. That's why it is also comes under desirable. And the another word, selflessness. Selflessness. Sorry, it is not a selflessness, it is selfishness. So selfishness means swarthate. So it is comes under
Not
not so desirable. Selfishness. ಹೌದಾ? Selfish. SEL FISHNESS. Selfishness. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಾರ್ಥತೆ. ಸ್ವಾರ್ಥತೆ. ಸೊ ಸ್ವಾರ್ಥ ಮನೋಭಾವ ಅದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದ ಕೆಟ್ಟದ?
ಕೆಟ್ಟದ್ದು.
So is it good one or bad one?
Bad.
So in this class is there any selfish fellows? This quality is in your hearts? No, that's good. Okay, we should work for others, not for us. We always to do the good work for society or friends, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
That's a good thing. So that selfishness is a bad thing. It comes under not so desirable. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And another one is cruelty.
Not so desirable.
Not so desirable. Cruelty. Cruelty means cruelty. Cruelty. So it is comes under not so desirable. Why it is not so desirable quality? Why?
Bad one.
ಯಾಕೆ ಕ್ರೂರತನ ಕೆಟ್ಟದ್ದು? We are all human beings, isn't it? We are all humans, not an animal, right? If we are a human beings, we should have to maintain at least goodness. Okay, they are not an animal. So that cruelty, that quality comes or observes in animals like tiger or in a snake, such kind of animals. They have to maintain cruelty. We are not. Why? We are human beings. We know what is good and what is bad, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. And another one is humility. Humility. Namyate, right? Humility. It comes under desirable quality, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And another one is faithfulness. Videyate. Faithfulness. It comes under desirable quality. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then another one is adherence.
Desirable qualities.
A desirable quality, isn't it? And one more word is perseverance. That is also comes under desirable quality. And determination. It is also comes under and negligence. Negligence. It is comes under not so desirable. Is there any person have the quality of negligence in this class? Very good. That is very bad. So that we are not to do any negligence inside the classroom as well as outside the classroom. We should have maintain neatness. Okay, not a negligence. Right? That's why the word negligence is not so desirable quality. Okay? And the another one is callousness. Not so desirable quality. Okay? Then another one is carelessness. Not so desirable. And another one is arrogance. Not so desirable qualities. Okay? See, these are all the several qualities. Now you are going to divided as desirable quality and not so desirable quality. So here we observe that many of the qualities comes under desirable quality, isn't it? Very few words are comes under not so desirable quality. So we are all human beings, isn't it? Is it right? No, we are all human beings. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಮನುಷ್ಯರು, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಮನುಷ್ಯರ ತಾನೇ ನಾವು. So we are all human beings, so that we have to follow good qualities. We have to follow
Good qualities.
like courage, amicability, gentleness, sympathy, kindness, helpfulness, enthusiasm, wisdom, affection, honesty, humility, obedience, such kind of several qualities we should follow in our lives, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So why we are going to discuss all these things? Because here is a unit. Here is a unit taken from the great epic of Hindu religion called Mahabharata. Have you heard the name Mahabharata?
Yes, sir.
That Mahabharata, there is a one story. That story comes in the unit called the Enchanted Road. So that story we are going to read now, okay? Before we are going to read that story, we know something about author of the lesson. Okay? The lesson name is The Enchanted Pole. Now we are going to know something about the author. Author means writer. Writer, ಲೇಖಕ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ. So the Enchanted Pool ಅನ್ನೋ ಪಾಠ ಮಹಾಭಾರತದ ಒಂದು ಕಥೆಯ ಆಧಾರಿತ ಪಾಠ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಬರೆದಂತ ಪುಣ್ಯಾತ್ಮ ಚಕ್ರವರ್ತಿ ರಾಜಗೋಪಾಲಾಚಾರಿ. Who wrote this lesson? C. ರಾಜಗೋಪಾಲಾಚಾರಿ. So now we are going to know something about our author C. Rajagopalachari. Right? So I have one photograph of C. Rajagopalachari. Now I am going to display it to you. See, this is a photograph of C. Rajagopalachari. C means Chakravarti Rajagopalachari. This is the image of C. Rajagopalachari. Right? Right? C means what? Chakravarti Rajagopalachari. See, this is the picture of C. Rajagopalachari. He was going to write the lesson, The Enchanted Pool. Isn't it? Are you observed? You want this photograph? How is it? How is it? It is nice, okay? Okay, nice. See, this is the photograph of Chakravarti Rajagopalachari. Now we are going to know something about him, okay? See, Chakravarti Rajagopalachari, popularly known as Rajaji. He was popularly known as Rajaji. ಇವರು ರಾಜಾಜಿ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧಿ ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ. ಏನಂತ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧಿ ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ರಾಜಾಜಿ. Okay. See, he was a great patriarch. He was a great patriarch. Great patriarch. Patriarch means ದೇಶಭಕ್ತ. ದೇಶಭಕ್ತ, ಅಪ್ರತಿಮ ದೇಶಭಕ್ತ. Those who are love the country, those nation. Those who are gave the respect towards the nation. Those who are considered as patriots. So what about you? What about you? You are also patriots? Definitely. So you should do the job of yours nicely. You are also patriots. You are also pay the respect towards our mother India. You are also great patriots of our country, isn't it? In the same way, Chakravarti Rajagopalachari also greatest patriot of our country, right? And also, as to politician, he was also a politician. Politician means ಒಬ್ಬ ರಾಜಕಾರಣಿ. Politician, ರಾಜಕಾರಣಿ. ಒಬ್ಬ ರಾಜಕಾರಣಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಹೌದು. ಯಾರು? ಚಕ್ರವರ್ತಿ ರಾಜಗೋಪಾಲಾಚಾರಿ. And he was also a sensitive thinker. He was also a great thinker. Great thinker. Thinker means ಚಿಂತಕ. ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ ಚಿಂತಕ ಕೂಡ ಅವರು. ಚಿಂತಕ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? What is the meaning of thinker or a ಚಿಂತಕ? ಚಿಂತೆ ಮಾಡೋರಲ್ಲ. ಚಿಂತಕ means one who have the knowledge about a particular subject or a particular topic, right? So who was called as thinkers. ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಒಂದು ದೇಶದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಸಿದ್ಧಾಂತಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅತಿಯಾದಂಥ ಕಾಳಜಿ ವಹಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವ್ರು, ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವ್ರು, ಅವರನ್ನು ನಾವು ಚಿಂತಕರು, ಪರಿಣಿತರು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಸೆವರಲ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಕೆಲವು ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪರಿಣಿತಿಯನ್ನ ಪಡೆದರು. ಕೆಲವರು ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಚಿಂತಕರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಹಣಕಾಸಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಸಮಾಜ ಚಿಂತಕರು ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಥಿಂಕರ್ಸ್. ಸಮಾಜದ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆಲೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ. ಸಮಾಜ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಗತಿ ಏನು, ಜಾತಿ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಂಥದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಚಿಂತನೆ ಮಾಡಲು ಸಮಾಜ ಚಿಂತನೆ. ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಚಿಂತಕರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಥಿಂಕರ್ಸ್. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಅವರು ರಾಜಕೀಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಪರಿಣಿತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, such kind of a great thinker C. Rajagopalachari was also. And also author of many books. He was a writer and author. Author of many books. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳನ್ನು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. He wrote so many books. That's why he was a great writer or author. Okay, and especially his popular books are on Bhagavad Gita. But ಇವರ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬುಕ್, ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧಿ ಪಡೆದಂತ ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತಾ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬುಕ್. ದಿ ಉಪನಿಷತ್ಸ್, it is also another book, Upanishads. And Ramayana. Ramayana ಅನ್ನೋ ಪುಸ್ತಕನೂ ಕೂಡ ಇವರು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಉಪನಿಷತ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪುಸ್ತಕನೂ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ರಾಮಾಯಣ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಕವಿಗಳು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇವರು ಒಂದು ಪುಸ್ತಕವನ್ನು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ರಾಮಾಯಣ ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಓಕೆ, and one more book, Mahabharata. See, in the Mahabharata, it displays his intimate flair for telling stories and applying their moral principles to modern times. See, ಇವರು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳಿಗೆ ಒತ್ತು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈ ಪಾಠಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಇವರ ಬರಹಗಳಲ್ಲಿ. ನಾವು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ನೈತಿಕ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್, ಮಾರಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್, ನೈತಿಕ ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಒತ್ತು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Yes, gave lot of stress to the moral values in his works. So he was C. Rajagopalachari. These are all the several aspects about our author C. Rajagopalachari. So are you understand about C. Rajagopalachari? Can I ask some questions to you regarding this? Come on, let me tell me any one of you who wrote the lesson The Enchanted Pool. Come on, Samvit. Very good. Chakravarti Rajagopalachari was written the lesson The Enchanted Pool. Okay, nice singer. Okay, another question is like this. C. Rajagopalachari, popularly known as dash. C. Rajagopalachari, popularly known as dash. Come on, Sumita.
Bhagavad Gita.
No.
Rajaji.
He was popularly known as Rajaji. Arpita says correct answer. Okay, nice. Sit up. See, he was popularly known as like this. ಇವರನ್ನ ಜನ ರಾಜಾಜಿ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ರಾಜಗೋಪಾಲಾಚಾರಿ ಅಂತ ಕರೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು ರಾಜಾಜಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಊರುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವರು ಹೆಸರು ಹಿಡಿದು ಕರೆದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಸರ್ನೇಮ್ಗಳು ಇರ್ತಾವೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಹಂಗೆ ಇವರನ್ನ ರಾಜಾಜಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. Which are the books written by C. Rajagopalachari? Come on. Yes, Rupa. Rajagopalachari wrote so many books. Among them, Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana, Mahabharata, and Upanishads. These are all the famous books of who? C. Rajagopalachari. Okay, see. And one more question. C. Rajagopalachari works mainly stressed on dash. His works mainly stressed on dash. Come on, his works mainly depends on or stressed on moral values or moral principles. ನೈತಿಕ ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳು, ನೈತಿಕ ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇವರು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಕತೆ, ಕಾದಂಬರಿ, ನಾಟಕ, ಪುಸ್ತಕಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇ ಬರೀಲಿ ಇವರು, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಅಡಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತಂತೆ? moral values ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, so these are all the several aspects about C. Rajagopalachari. Are you understand?
Yes.
So now I am going to give one homework to you. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Please write down homework question. Homework question. Please write down. Write a brief note about C. Rajagopalachari. So are you writing down the question? Are you writing down the homework question?
Yes, sir.
will be discussed on tomorrow's class. Okay, thank you.